Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Please refer to the exhibit. A developer is unable to make changes to the elements in the application modeler. What are the two reasons for this? Choose 2. Option A. Shared application model is locked for edits. Option B. Run mode of the object is set to exclusive. Option C. Application modeler is opened at process runtime. Option D. Target application is not launched or attached. Option E. User account does not have the permissions. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Shared application model is locked for edits. Option C. Application modeler is opened at process runtime. Question 2. Please refer to the exhibit. The developer is automating in SAP Windows-based application within a Citrix environment. There is an issue with a duplicate match found when identifying and highlighting the document number field, due to the application window having two of the same labels and buttons. Which SPI mode should the developer use to identify the correct field using surface automation? Option A. Win32. Option B. Region. Option C. Browser. Option D. Application Navigator. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Region. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.